Today we are checking out the Talosbo C1 cordless robotic pool vacuum cleaner. A smart robotic cleaner designed for in-ground pools that promises powerful suction, wall climbing, waterline cleaning, app control and up to 180 minutes of runtime. The design looks modern. It has a good build quality, large traction tracks, and a cordless design, which honestly makes a huge difference compared to traditional wired pool cleaners. No tangled cables, no setup headaches, and no constantly adjusting wires while it's cleaning. The setup is super simple. You basically charge it, select your cleaning mode, place it into the water, and let it do the work. About the cleaning performance, the Talosbo C1 is designed to clean floors, walls, slopes, steps, and even the water line. That's something you usually see in much more expensive robotic cleaners. The robot uses a triple motor system with smart navigation to map out the pool and avoid random movement patterns. This helps the cleaner move more efficiently instead of constantly repeating the same area. And watching it climb walls and scrub the waterline is pretty fun. Another major highlight is the runtime. Talosbo claims up to 180 minutes in Eco mode, which is significantly longer than many cordless pool cleaners on the market today. The extended battery life is important, especially for larger pools, because it gives the robot enough time to complete a full cleaning cycle without stopping halfway. The Talosbo C1 also includes dual-layer filtration, which helps separate larger debris from finer dirt and particles. So whenever you are dealing with leaves, dust, sand, or small debris, it handles everything surprisingly well. Another thing I really like is the app integration. Through the companion app, you can select multiple cleaning modes, cleaning paths, and scheduling options. For example, you can choose floor-only cleaning, wall-only cleaning, full pool cleaning, waterline cleaning, or eco mode depending on what your pool needs. This gives you way more control compared to basic robotic cleaners that only offer one automatic mode. There is also an auto parking feature, which is super convenient. Once the battery gets low or the cleaning cycle is complete, the cleaner automatically moves closer to the pool edge for easier retrieval. For very large debris loads or extremely neglected pools, you may still need multiple cleaning cycles depending on the condition of the water. Unlike most robotic pool cleaners, regular filter cleaning is important to maintain maximum performance. But overall, for the price range, the Talosbo C1 actually delivers a lot of premium level features, including smart navigation, wall climbing, waterline cleaning, longer battery life, and app support. So if you are tired of manually vacuuming your pool or dealing with bulky wired cleaners, this could definitely save you a lot of time and effort. This is all about this product. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.